This is a licorice plant, a tropical perennial that's grown mostly for its leaves. Let's take a closer look with Better Homes and Gardens. While not edible or used in the making of licorice, certain varieties of this plant do exude the smell of licorice, hence the name. What's cool about this plant is that its leaves have dense white hairs that prevent pests from bothering it. Plus, it feels slightly fuzzy to the touch. Here are the basics about growing licorice plants. They grow quickly and thrive in full sun to part shade. Licorice plants will rot in soggy conditions, so make sure to plant it in well-drained soil. While they are in fact perennials, licorice plants are usually grown as annuals for their foliage. If they do bloom, it's usually in a tropical environment. Licorice plants are easy to grow. Pinch back trailing varieties early on in their growth to encourage fuller-looking plants. The soft colors and textures of the licorice plant make it a pleasing backdrop for more brightly colored blossoms. For example, try it in a container with Angelonia, Gerbera daisy, and ornamental peppers. Now that you've learned more, go forth and plant.